So in this Etsy tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to close your account here on Etsy. So once Etsy is opened up, go to the top right, press on your account, then press on view your profile. Once you're here, go to the top left area, press on edit public profile, and then press on account. Once you're on the account page, just scroll down all the way until you come across right here. Keep going down to where it says close your account. So what happens when you close your account will be inactive until you reopen it. So this is not a way of permanently deleting your account, but this is just basically you making it inactive or closing it. So you can go ahead and read all through of this stuff. You can provide your reasoning. You can also see where you want to get an email address from. And if all looks good this way, you can go ahead and press on close your account that way to proceed with the closing of your account. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to close your account on Etsy. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.